Hello, YouTube and Facebook. Well, not exactly another fan video. I know that's the most popular. But I want to address something we all skip. Even myself used to skip. And that is ceiling fan maintenance. So most people say that, oh, check for any abnormalities once every 6 months. Even in the instruction manual, at least mine did, says every 6 months. I turned out to be like every 2 or 3 months. But I would check, personal recommendation, I would check for any abnormalities once a month. Once a month. Turn the light switch off. That's how I do it. I just do the light switch, but I would always recommend, going to the breaker and cutting the breaker off. And take a look. This is why ceiling fans with a down rod are preferred, because instead of uninstalling the whole fan, really all you need to do is loosen a couple screws. Take that canopy off. Check. Is the mounting bracket secure? Because mine wasn't. It would make a bump, 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 bump noise. I was scared to use it any speed aside from low. And then I got frustrated. I took the canopy down, tried to tighten the screws. Sure enough, my ceiling fan was coming loose. Not only that, you want to check the blades. Are the blades securely tightened to the motor? If not, tighten them. If you notice any wobbly in the blade without moving the housing, then tighten that blade. And you might as well just go around and tighten each blade just for the heck of it. Okay. Dust really don't seem to be a problem. My roommate has her fan for almost 3 years. It didn't start accumulating dust until almost 2.5 years. I have to try to get my ceiling fan dusty. I have to try. It's like, I can't wait no 2.5 years. I have to sit, spray out the paste paint, run the fan, get an all industrial suit going. But, it all depends on your circumstances. Like me, I have a outtake, and I have a main vent. So I don't get that much dust accumulation. The ceiling fan is likely going to be the last thing to get dusty. At least that's my experience. The ceiling fan is going to be the last thing to get dusty. But dust can cause wobbling, and wobbling can cause the mounting bracket to come loose. So you want to be careful. If you notice your ceiling fan wobbling, no matter how dusty you want it, no matter how rustic and dusty you want it, that's probably your first step. But if you want to keep it dusty, I would recommend taking the other steps. Are the blades secure? Are the mounting brackets secure? And check to see if the blades are in alignment. Okay, those are the three things you want to watch out for. Is the mountain bracket secure? Are the blades secure? Are the blades in alignment? If all else fails, you gotta take the dust off. Because the dust is what's causing it to wobble. I personally like a dusty ceiling fan. I like my things dusty and rustic. That's just me. But other than that, don't skip your ceiling fan maintenance. Check once a month. You know, check once a month. Mounting bracket, blade alignment, and secureness of the blades. Check that once a month. Those are the three things you need to check out for. Because if you don't, all hell can break loose, man. And we don't want that. Like I said, because of my ceiling fan wobbling, I haven't really balanced it yet. There's not that much dust on there to be a concern. But like I said, I was hearing a thunk, 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 thunk noise. I knew it had to be the mountain bracket or the box itself. Tighten the mountain bracket, turn the fan back on, quiet as a mouse. And I've only had the fan maybe 2 months, 2-3 months. And in the instruction manual it says check once or twice a year. No. Check once a month. Check once a month. You know, especially if you have a tendency for fan to wobble. If you don't want to take the time to balance it, check it once a month. If not, once every 2 weeks. The ceiling fan wobbling, that can cause issues not only in the mountain bracket, but the box itself. So if you hear a thump, 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 thump noise, address that immediately. Don't ignore it. Address it immediately. Okay. I think I took too much of your time here, but I can't stress it enough. Ceiling fan maintenance is important.